Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in OpenLanguage beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the OpenLanguage website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to be directed to the login screen. You will see fields for your email address and password on the login screen. In the first field, enter the email address associated with your OpenLanguage account. Next, move to the password field and enter your password carefully. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. Once all information is entered correctly, click on the Sign In button. Wait a moment as the system processes your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your OpenLanguage dashboard. In case of an error, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password via email. Once logged in, explore your dashboard to access various language resources. Now you are ready to start using OpenLanguage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.